In addition to user-driven development, the rifle has been subjected to extensive environmental and durability testing in accordance with the NATO D14 standard. These tests evaluate the weapon's functionality and safety under extreme conditions. The rifle must operate reliably in both high and low temperatures after exposure to salt fog that simulates maritime corrosion, and after being subjected to fine dust, sand, mud and ice. It must also pass impact and drop tests, proving mechanical integrity after shocks and sudden force.